Let's understand the first principle of solid, which is single responsibility principle. This principle says that a class should have only one responsibility or only one job to perform. That means, in case of any modification, there should be only one reason to modify it. Let's understand the single responsibility principle with a simple class, restaurant service. Suppose the restaurant service has three methods: take order, cook, and bill processing. Look at the left side example. What is the problem with the written code? The restaurant service class will be modified in case the cooking process is changed, or the order taking process is changed, or the billing system is changed. That means the class has multiple reasons to get modified, and which is violating the single responsibility principle. The solution is to segregate the code into multiple classes based on their responsibilities, so that each class will have a single and well-defined job to perform. Please observe the code written in the right side. Since the cooking, taking order, and billings are different responsibilities, so this restaurant service class can be segregated into three different classes like cooking service, order service, and payment service. Hope you got the idea. This is how we can design a class by following single responsibility principle.